I am with Chef JP Singh. He is a known name in the Indian culinary. Chef JP Singh is known for the Bukhara. Chef, speak something about Bukhara.
Sir, Bukhara, as you rightly said, it has got its legendary name, which has, I would say, like in today's world, where the change is the order of the day, Bukhara is in totally on the other side of it, wherein we have not changed the menu since 1978. That's the inception year of the Bukhara at ITC Maurya in Delhi. And globally, we have been acknowledged by the gourmands, and we are proud. We have been catering to most of the head of the states around the globe. All the American presidents, all UK prime ministers, name it, and they have been there. I am fortunate to have catered for them at Bukhara, and we also make sure that the menu has never changed. But we are also feel proud about it because in spite of the global trend of changing, we have never done that, and we are still going strong. I would like to make sure that we go with the consistency and the repetition along with.
As you said, from 1978, that is the inception year of Bukhara, they have not changed the menu. That means it sounds good. And the changes many restaurants does, but they have not done. But he has catered to the all heads of the state across the globe, and still they prefer to have the old menu. Thank you very much, Chef.
My pleasure. And nice meeting you, sir. Thank you.